Okay, this is Kronoswiss Aquastop. It's my favourite as usual, 14mm beach. This unit's going to be sold in a month or so, so Pete's just gone with this one, which is so popular, and yeah, whoever moves in is going to be very happy. So yeah, this was actually, the doorway was water damaged black bar, I think, and there was carpet here, and then in the back was black again. So we demolished all that. That's why we had to replace the skirts, because some were 50mm and some were 67. So yeah, there's a trim got to go in there. So it's looking very nice. Got matching trim. Managed to undercut the kickboards nicely. Went under them, it went really nice. Put a new blade on my undercut saw, got nice clean cuts. Trim so the dishwasher fits in. If you bead it, sometimes you have a problem. Took the rails off. That was sat on a 14mm bit of MDF, so I threw that away.